Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Data Dispatch, giving you quick segments on everything regarding AI and in the news. Today, we do have Elon Musk that is continuing, nobody's listening, to sound off the grave warnings by basically saying that he's predicting that there will be a catastrophic outcome with AI if we do not see regulation. Now, he was in Paris making this speech, and we know Elon Musk has made many other predictions before. And back in March, we even had that large petition that was signed by him and like 1,000 other tech leaders that did say, hey, we need some type of policy, organization, and structure around these AI companies before basically the brakes are set too loose and we have AI advancing at too quick of a rate where it becomes more super intelligent than humans. This is known as the singularity, which is kind of the biggest fear for AI. Now, Elon Musk, he's sounded off these alarms before about AI, talking about the dangers that it could be posed to humanity, warning that something has to be done to limit its development and monitor its development, or we do risk a disaster to humanity. But he did say that he thinks there's a real danger for digital superintelligence really having negative consequences. Now, like I said, we've talked about this before and talking about this, that Musk predicted that AI would most likely bring positive outcomes. So we're not talking about all negative here and just bashing, criticizing AI. He's talking about bringing us into a new age of abundance in terms of access to goods and services. But he also said that this should not be taken for granted and that not every possible outcome is going to happen. We will need to minimize the probability that something will go wrong with digital superintelligence. So he is for, super intelligence and having AI working in a collaborative way, but he's saying that we do need to basically limit it and we do need to regulate it to prevent it from getting worse. Now, it's a big question, especially as we've seen other top CEOs regarding these AI companies give the same warning. We've seen Sam Altman, the CEO behind OpenAI, which of course is behind ChatGPT, the large language model that's really taken the world by storm here in the last 6 months. He himself has given grave warnings to Congress on the regulation that needs to take effect, basically saying that we need to find a way to stay competitive, but also not to let this get out of our hands. So it's a big question, especially for how AI is developing at the rate right now and what companies are supposed to do. Is there going to be any monitoring? And I think it's a good question to ask. What do you guys think in the comments? Please let me know. Let's talk about it down below. Do you think that there should be more regulation and monitoring regarding these companies, or is that basically too much limitation on the freedom that they do deserve? It is a big question, and I think Elon Musk is continuing to warn. Looking at this article here, this does come up from this article right here that you can see that he does give this catastrophic outcome about AI without regulation. So big question there. I'll catch you guys later and take care.